At HPMT, we take pride in creating the finest tools through our 7-step process. Our skilled engineers design each tool with utmost precision, ensuring perfection in every design. Our cutting-edge technology ensures every tool meets exact specifications. With a dedicated line for custom tools, we can create custom-made solutions to fit your needs, producing perfection through precision. Every tool undergoes a thorough cleaning and polishing process to ensure impeccable quality. The tools are then covered with specialized coatings, enhancing their performance and longevity. After coating, the tools will be cleaned and polished again to give it a pristine finish. Our team of experts meticulously inspects each tool, ensuring they meet our strict quality standards before being packaged and delivered to you. Precision tools, enduring partnerships. That's HPMT.